Hi guys, Boris here from 500 Madness, and today I'm very excited and proud to show you our new MADNESS Autoworks short shifter. Now, we've been offering and installing short shifters ever since the 500 came to the United States. And after offering a variety of different types, we decided, let's go ahead and make our own. So what we've gone ahead and done is we have taken some of the best features out there that are available in a short shifter, put them all together, and took it up a notch. So the short shifter is made out of billet aluminum. It is machined for precise fit and finish. It is made here in the US. And not only did we design it here in the US, but we decided to add some additional features that are typically not found in short shifters on the 500. We've machined a nice high quality strong arm to give you a true short shift. This is a little longer than the factory one. It gives you a true short shift. And we have designed a high quality stem which is very durable, and unlike everything else in the market, it is also adjustable. So you loosen up this little bolt here and you're able to adjust the height of the actual shaft to get it just how you want it. So rather than having a fixed shaft, this one is actually adjustable, and there's 3 levels of adjustment here. So I'm gonna bring Bill out. Bill's our shop manager here. Bill's installed a ton of short shifters in the 500, and he's going to go ahead and show you how to install this in your 500. And as always, you guys have a question, drop us an email, give us a phone call, we'll be happy to help. Thank you guys, and enjoy the video.
Bill, shop manager, MADNESS Autoworks, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the MADNESS short shifter in your FIAT 500. The first step is you're going to get a small screwdriver and you're going to take off the cover on your shifter. There we go. There's a 10mm screw right here. Is that loose? Now you're going to reach here and you're going to pop it straight up like so. Okay, don't now pull it because there's window switches you have to disconnect. So just reach with your thumb. There's a little tab. Push on that tab and release it. So there's the tab right there. Just push in on that. And do the same for the driver's side, like so. And then now, the whole assembly comes off. Now we're gonna release the cables. Okay, I use a pair of pliers, doesn't have to be this long. And then grip that, and then you're gonna take a pry bar or a screwdriver and pop it off, just like that. And then on this one, just take the screwdriver, get between it, the shifter. There you go. There you go. Those both small screwdriver, and you're gonna work this white piece out. So it's got to go in, past the clips. There's, I believe, 7 clips. Just get on the side of that clip. There you go. And now take your screwdriver, grab that piece of rubber out. You're not going to be reusing this. You're not going to be reusing this. Now we're ready to install our MADNESS short shifter. First step, you're going to install this spring washer. It just sits right down there in the bottom, just like so. And you're going to fish in your MADNESS short shifter, like so. Okay. And make sure it lines up, because the bottom cup and the top cup are in 2 pieces. So you're going to want that lined up with that right there. And you're going to slide this in like so. You're going to bring it down. And just line that up. Okay, now she's going to fall down in the hole. Like so. There we go. Alright, now you got your locking clip in place. Now you can install your cables. So what I do is take some long needle nose, and you're going to grab the cable. You're going to line it up. You're going to move the short shifter out of the way. And use the housing of the shifter housing right here to kind of give you something to pry against. You just kind of pop it on right like that. And the bottom one, do the same thing. You grab it, move the shifter down, line it up, and then use the housing and push it on. Just like that. Now you're going to check it. Make sure she goes in all the gears. Nice. There you go. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, reverse. Beautiful. Installed. You can go ahead and there's 3 settings. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in the middle setting for the customer. And if he likes it a little lower, we'll lower it down. A little higher, we got room to go up. So I always kind of do it just in the middle. All right, now with your shifter installed, you're gonna go ahead and replace the boot and the shift knob. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you're gonna take, there's 3 clips on this side. You're gonna release these clips, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and starting to work loose. And then there's 2 here you're gonna release with a pair of pliers. Okay, so now you're gonna take a pair of pliers and you're gonna pinch these silver clips and push them through. Like so. Okay, there's 1. There we go. And then the 3 here, you're just gonna use your thumb and push them out. 1, 2, 3, they're already falling out. Now we're gonna clean all this up and we're gonna pick a boot that suits the car. We offer plenty of them, so we'll go find one we like. All right, we picked this black MADNESS boot. I do wanna mention that sometimes these clips will break. We do offer this whole piece if needed. So we're gonna go ahead and install this into here, and it only goes in one way. So you just kind of push it together. There's 1, 2, and then you have your 3 that just nicely fall in. Okay, now you're ready to almost install this. You're gonna go ahead and slip it over, just like that, and then drop this down. Now we're gonna install our shift knob that we choose. We have plenty of those as well. We're gonna pick 2 or 3 of them and try them out, and then I'll show you how to incorporate the boot and the shift knob together. All right, we picked this Abarc shift knob, one of my favorites. And so what you're gonna do is put it on there straight, and then there's a recess screw you're gonna tighten down, okay? Like so. Nice and straight, nice and tight. Just like that. All right, you play with it. Oh yeah. All right, now what you're gonna do with the boot is you're gonna pull the boot over the shift knob lip. Like so. All right, just like so. And now what you're gonna do is you can add a zip tie or black tape, and you're gonna tape this boot onto the shift knob. Plug your window switches in. Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and put this and this. There you go. And that is how you install the boot, shift knob, and the MADNESS short shifter in your Fiat 500.